Hey guys, so quick video for you about the Autopilot, if it's actually worth using or no, and what are the important things that you need to know about it. This is not AI generated video because I know there are plenty of videos, they provide no value. So the most important thing about the Autopilot is that it's a cool idea for sure, but it can really be executed since most of the investors have their trades delayed by 2 weeks or more. So this is really important things that you need to know. Now, when we are going to go even further, is that there is a site called capitaltrades.com where you can actually find the trades of people and also the featured politicians on what kind of trades they are doing. And there you can find a lot of like good information and you can create your own kind of like search on it. So what are the pros and cons? The first con, as I mentioned, is the delayed execution. So often lagging by 15 to 30 days if you're going to actually use Autopilot. The second thing is the fees. You can have about $30 per $30 per quarter, like $100 per year. I don't know if the pricing is going to change in the future. And this is another thing that is going to cut into your profits. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to perform well. I'm just saying these are the things that you have to be aware of. Underperformance versus benchmarks. On some trackers, you will see that comparing to SP 500, it's worse. And also, there isn't a lot of like detailed transaction history. And there is a risk with specific trackers, like let's say BAR. And now, when we're going to go for the pros, yes, it's easy to use. You are going to find a lot of information and a lot of interesting things with it if you want to use it. Another thing is the diversification. You can track different strategies like Ammon, Citadel, Buffett, decent returns, and then performance during market downturns. Like Citadel perform better when the market declines. So you are going to find plenty of ways on how you can actually track it and how you can make money. Just be aware that it's a cool idea, but it can really be executed since most of the investors have their trades delayed by 2 weeks or more. So just be aware of it, all right? And just want to make this quick video if you want to use it. I'm a fan of just investing into ETFs and just stocks that I like. But I highly encourage you to check out the Capital Trades. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.